First, I start off by prepping my skin using a moisturizer. Then I use a silicone base primer and eyeshadow primer. I drew my eyebrows in using a combination of dark purple brown eyeshadow and a purple highlighter powder shade. I go in with a white cream based eyeshadow and set that with a white powder to help the colors I use later on to pop a little more. For the eyes, I started off with a fuchsia red on the inner third, placed a bright purple on the outer corners, and then used a pinkish lilac to blend the upper crease area, avoiding the center area of my lid. I then used setting spray to wet a flat brush to intensify the white iridescent highlight powder on my brow bone and repeated the process for my inner tear duct highlight. I added a deep purple right at the outer corner to intensify the look and used a clean brush to blend it out. Using my finger, I popped an iridescent white pink shade at the center of my eyelid. Then I drew on a moderate cat eye for my liner. For foundation, I used a mixture of liquid highlighter and a full coverage foundation and used a beauty sponge to blend it out. Then I used a translucent powder to bake the under eye area and any other areas I get oily or I wanted to mattify. Now the fun part! I pretty much went crazy with powder highlighter. I started off with a purple shimmer eyeshadow as my contour and blended upwards, following up with a steel blue shimmer shadow, and then layering highlighter shades in purple, blue, light blue, and white while blending in between each color application. For my lower lash, I used the bright purple over the whole lash line and used the fuchsia red right under that to smoke it out a bit. I then tightlined and lined my lower waterline with a black eyeliner. To contour my neck area, I went in again with a purple shimmer eyeshadow, steel blue, darker shimmer blue, purple highlighter, blue highlight, light blue highlight, and then brought that down my neck. I decided I needed a little more magic for my eyes, so I popped some multicolored glitter from the inner corner of my eye to the middle, and also popped some on my lower inner lash area. From there, I curled my lashes, added mascara to my upper and lower lashes, put on some falsies, and used black shadow to intensify my liner and hide the lash band. For my lips, I used a bright pink purple color, added some clear gloss, and popped some glitter because, you know, I'm a friggin' unicorn. Then I used the white highlight shade from my Cupid's bowl and set my face and put my wig and horn on, and bam! I really am a unicorn.